Hello.
Yes, please.
So we rebuilt this drone because
The connector
the connector is
broken.
broke.
This one.
It's broken.
This is the connector. This is we mean the connector. This one, like this. It's broken, and then we solder it directly to the board. Like this, to the flight controller. Here. There's no connector here, and we solder it directly to the flight controller. And we change the frame, right, son? Because we don't like Eachine Tyro99 too much because it's easy to break.
It's easy to break.
To break, yeah. It's not durable. This is the what is this? This is the diatom frame, and it's very durable. What is he doing? Look, this is weird, I think, because we put the antenna here. It's not fit when I put here, and then we change the place around here, and then here the antenna. We will fly this drone today. We will try, okay, son?
Okay.
And we will compare to our older drone yesterday, maybe 2 days ago. We built this drone and we fixed the mounting of the camera. It's better now. It's the same 5-inch. So we have to rebuild. This is rebuild from new one. This is rebuild, and we will try to fly both of them today. Okay, son?
Okay.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Okay, there's a little problem when I try to fly it with flip over. Instaflip. To solve it, I go to beta flight and check the movement of the models the same as the movement of the quad. Make sure when you yaw, roll, pitch, it's the same between the model and the quad. If not, then go to configuration, change this part. I changed several times and until it's the same, and problem solved. Thank you very much.